shell, living in the ocean swell. C is for chalkboard, for learning each day. Draw or write in your own way. D is for donkey, strong and kind, carries heavy loads you find. E is for racer, fixing mistakes, helping you when writing breaks. F is for falconer, tiny and fast, flying through the sky so vast. G is for goblet, holding a drink, poured so full right to the brink. H is for hosey, spraying the ground, watering flowers all around. I is for ink, deep and blue, helps you write a note that's new. J is for jellyfish, drifting slow, glowing softly as they go. K is for kettle, whistling loud, making tea for a happy crowd. L is for lantern, glowing bright, shining through the darkest night. M is for magnet, sticking tight, holding paper just right. N is for numbat, striped and small, eating termites, that's all. O is for oven, baking bread, warm and toasty just like you said. P is for parasol, shading the sun, keeping you cool when you run. Q is for quiver, holding arrows, used in games on sunny meadows. R is for root to bag around and pail, tasty food without fail. S is for saw, cutting wood, used for building something good. T is for tripod, standing tall, holding cameras so they won't fall. U is for urn, holding flowers in bloom, brightening up the whole room. V is for violin, singing clear, making music you can hear. W is for water wheel, turning slow, user the river's steady flow. X is for X-ray, showing bones inside bodies, skin and stones. Y is for yam, orange inside, baked or mashed, it's loved worldwide. Z is for zebu, with horns so wide, walking across the countryside. That was the ABC Fresh Find song. All new animals and objects to explore. Subscribe to Little Animal Melodies for more fun. AZ, learning every week. Yo! Da 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 da.